guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how to make a lemon drop cocktail. So let's begin. Firstly, we will start with the good juicy lemon.
So we will start pinning it from the bottom.
We will keep it aside. Cut the lemon like this. Now we will squeeze this lemon in this bowl. Now we will take a half cut lemon and do like this. After this, we will drop it down into the sugar. We are ready with our glass, so we'll move forward to our drink. We will take ice cubes. Now we will open up our bottle. $60 ml of vodka. This is sugar, half sugar and half water. I have boiled it and now it's ready. So I will add 30 ml of this. The lemon which we squeezed earlier, now we will add the same amount of lemon, which is 30 ml, into the drink. We will close up the cap and give it a good shake. After a good shake, I will strain the drink into the glass. Now we will take a toothpick and the peel lemon and we will make it like a flower. Set it at the top of the glass for a nice look. So this is our first drink: Coke, ice, lemon and a glass. We will fill up the glass with ice cubes. And we will take a lemon and squeeze it through the ice and drop it down. Transfer it into the glass. After this, we will open our Coca-Cola and fill the glass. After this, we will mix it up. Just like this. So this is our second drink, Cuba Libra cocktail. Third cocktail drink, this is pancakes cocktail. For this we need vodka, orange juice liquor, lemon, ice, that's all. So we will start up with vodka, 30 ml of it. We will drop it down into the. After that, we will take 30 ml of orange liquor juice. And a lot of ice. With 30 ml of squeezed lemon juice. So now we will give it a good shake. we will pour out the cocktail. After this, we will take a nice piece of it.